Why does your scanner show the P2237 engine code? What does it mean? P2237 is a diagnostic trouble code for 02, Sensor Positive Current Control Circuit, Open Bank 1 Sensor 1. It indicates the PCM detects the O2 sensor for Bank 1 Sensor 1 that has an open circuit for the heater control circuit of the O2 sensor. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This code is caused by these possible faults in your car. Defective oxygen sensor, Bank 1, Sensor 1. Damaged oxygen sensor wiring. Exhaust leaks. Faulty engine control module. Vacuum leaks. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Volkswagen, Hyundai, Honda, Nissan, Toyota, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.